fresh cut.
Oh yeah, he got a fresh cut. Do you guys like it? He just looks.
It looked better yesterday.
So cute. We are on our way to Knausberry Farm with Bambi because she likes to look out the window the whole car ride. You should put the window down because she really...
There's a car, hold on.
Okay. And so we just wanted to take her out because she's been bored lately and I want her to see new things. So we are taking her there. And if you guys live in Miami or in South Florida, you need to go to Knausberry Farm. It is in Homestead. Their cinnamon rolls are like really famous. I think nationwide they're famous. We're also gonna take pictures there and just chill. So I will show you guys what we get there. I think I want to get a slushie because I got a slushie there last time and it was so good.
Their shakes are so good though.
Yeah, I know, but like I'm trying to like cut down on dairy.
Yeah, I'm lactose intolerant and I still eat them.
I'm doing it because in a way I am also kind of lactose intolerant because my skin breaks out. So yeah, that's the way that I'm.
It's a bit different.
Yeah, it's different because some people get the shits and the farts. You know? But my skin breaks out because dairy is not good for your skin. But anyway, yeah, I will see you guys now. So yeah, goodbye.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Okay, you guys, we have arrived. As you can see, Bambi is overexcited. And Steven went to go get the cinnamon rolls. What'd you get? But that's...
This is good though.
I wanted the slushie. This the cinnamon roll one?
Yeah. It really does taste like cinnamon.
I'm trying to like cut down on dairy.
Let's go sit down.
Show the cinnamon rolls.
Let's show when we're sitting. You can see them better.
Yes. Yes.
Cinematic.
Lit. Wait. Before we go, I need a picture right here and the lights going down. Alright, you guys. So this is their cinnamon roll shake. And then these are their famous cinnamon rolls. And this is Bambi.
Sit.
Being a bad girl.
Sit.
She just gets way too excited when she sees people. She does not know how to control her emotions.
Sit.
Good girl. That's a good girl. No shit. Be a good girl.
Oh, you think she wants some cinnamon?
She can't have cinnamon roll.
Yes, she can.
No, dogs can't have cinnamon.
What's she like?
She can't have. Sorry, Boom. But look how pretty it is here too. Very farmy.
It's literally a farm.
It's literally a farm.
It's literally what it is.
Squeeze me oh so tight, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me, baby.
Hey baby bears! It's Barry, Becca, and Steven. Oh wow, you sure you want to be doing that on the internet? Guess where we're going? Boom, tell them. Oh, okay. You guys stop? She said we're going to the beach. She said, oh damn babe, you see those arms? Okay.
You know, whatever.
No, you know, I was actually looking at myself in the mirror and I'm losing all my muscles because I used to lift a lot of weights and now all I do is cardio. I need to get back into that because
it's like the opposite of what I do.
I literally feel so weak now. I'm just there like, where did it go? It used to like pop up when I would do that and it doesn't do it anymore like at all.
You remind me of SpongeBob when he's trying to get into the salty platoon.
How tough am I? I ate a bowl of nails for breakfast without any milk.
Just a kiss goodnight.
made it to the beach. And there's the boo. There's the good girl.
Yeah. Not
And
hard at all.
the sun's going a little, oh, you know what? The weather's like not that hot. I expected it to be hot.
It's nice.
It's pretty nice. And we need to take pictures and the sun's going down, so I'm a little upset. Hey guys, so we're here at the beach. There's Steven and Bambi. Guys, please ignore the fact that my foundation doesn't match my skin at all. Yeah, I need to go get a new one. And I'm so sorry about looking like a crusty egg. And Bambi has been so annoying. She got out of her harness. Like, she pulled so hard that she got out and she zoomed all over the sand. But luckily, Steven was able to capture her to contain the situation.
What's the tight in the harness?
No, it's because she got too excited.
If she can get out though, that's a problem.
And no, but if it's too tight, it hurts her and she could get like a rash. She could get a rash.
Falling off.
I just have to feed her more. But yeah, we just took some pics. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see those. When we got here though, I don't know if you guys can see that there's like some grayness in the sky. Like, it was really gray. There was a whole layer of gray. It looked like smoke or something, but it's kind of going away now. But still, the beach is so beautiful. This bathing suit is from Blackpool Swim. I get a lot of questions from girls asking me like my sizes and stuff. I have a whole video where I talk about literally like the fit and everything, but I wear a size large on tops and bottoms. And I love this bathing suit because it just like stands out so much. And I think it's like so flattering. You good? I had to give her so much water because she had, look at her nose. She had so much sand in her mouth. She was literally eating the sand. Boom, you want to say hello? Let me see your yucky nose. You want more water? Okay, we'll give you more now. She is jumping because she's trying to catch the seagulls, but I don't think she understands that it just doesn't work like that. Oh my gosh, golden hour. This is so pretty. This is the best time to take pictures. Like, if you want that golden hour glow. Don't want her to do it. Oh my god.
That's our car.
Oh god, there she goes. Daddy. Good girl. Who's that crazy girl? Boom, come here so I can wash your nose. Oh, there's a lady doing a maternity photo shoot over there. So cute. He's taking the sand off his towel because Bambi decided to put him.
Hole onto it, and all the sand was directly on my towel.
There you go. That's exactly what happened. Ooh, what happened? You're being a bad girl. You like to be bad girl, huh? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit, indeed.
So what happened?
One of these stupid ass seagulls shat in my hair. I felt something fall on my head. I felt something fall on my head and I was like, oh my god. And when I touched it, it was poop. So I've lost all my will to live.
Bambi's still digging, so that's good. Good job to her for, you know, being committed.
I literally have poop in my hair right now. I need to take a shower. I just can't deal with feces in my hair. animal feces in my hair.
Yeah, it's because of that guy throwing crackers in the sky.
Yeah, there's a guy over there throwing crackers in the sky because he's trying to like take a picture of some lady, and they want the birds in the background, I guess, but I guess he didn't realize.
Oh. Did you see that?
Oh, boom.
Okay, all right.
Guess he didn't realize that there's literally people sitting right there, right in front of where he's throwing the crackers. And yeah, the bird shat on my head, so I guess you could say I'm a shithead, huh? I actually want to die though. So anyway, I will catch up with you guys when I wash this shit out of my hair. Literally, the shit. Hey guys, so I'm leaving Steven's house now. I took a shower, so I got the bird crap out of my hair.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. What do you mean, unfortunately? You wanted me to keep bird poop in my hair? You
Nah, that's gross.
freaking weirdo. But yeah, oh, I just hit my elbow. Why is everything happening to me? Everything is happening.
Yeah.
We had some tacos.
Soft shell, if you're wondering.
Taco Monday. Yeah, soft shell.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Oh, look. You want to say goodbye? Okay, bye everybody. Alright. This is Barry Becca and
Steven, still.
signing out. Sign out. Thank you.